Are you a console gamer looking to stream or capture your content to your PC through a capture card but can't afford an Elgato capture card or one of those fancy AverMedia capture cards? I might just have the answer for you. Let's talk about that. What's up guys, Dagan07 back with another product review video. And on this channel we do product review videos as well as content creation tutorials and videos of that sort. And I also from time to time drop the Mad Awesome PUBG montage. If you haven't seen one of those, check one of those out. I do enjoy playing a lot of PUBG. You should get back into it. It's really awesome. So I was sent this capture card this last week and I've been kind of testing it all week and just putting it through its paces. I have all of the major consoles with the exception of the PS5. I have an Xbox Series X, PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, PC. So I have most of the things that most people would want to use this capture card for. And what I really like about it is it's really affordable. It's super small. I mean, like, here's my hand. Here's the palm of my hand. I mean, it's super compact and portable. So if you were just somebody who travels a lot and you bring your console and you want to play it through your laptop or what have you, you can definitely pack this with you without very much effort, and it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. The other thing about this is it supports up to 4K 60 frames per second ingest. It only outputs 1080p 60, but it can support up to 4K 60 frames in. And it works with OBS, XSplit, and it even works with things like Zoom and Microsoft Teams and things like that. So not only can this be used for game capture for consoles, but I even tested this on my Canon M50, which is what you're seeing me through right now. I tested this as a replacement for my Cam Nova. If you haven't seen my Cam Nova review, it's up here in the box up above. But this thing worked fantastically. It's only $33 on Amazon, and I mean, you can't beat that. To be able to capture your console content and be able to stream it to either your PC or a laptop or whatever you want to stream it to. And it handles basically anything from an HDMI out. You can capture anything from an HDMI out, and there's no real system requirements for it. It plugs in via USB 3 cable, and it comes with a USB 3 male to female cable. And I mean, it's really simple to hook up. It's plug and play, and it's just really good. Comes with a mic and audio jack. I don't know if you can see it in the video right here, but it comes with a mic jack and a headphones jack in case you want to add commentary over the content if you're not streaming it through a PC. And it gives you real-time game view. And what I did is I plugged it up to my second monitor through HDMI, and I ran this through my main PC, and it was just super easy to use. It was plug and play, zero lag. I could have easily watched the game through OBS and played the game without actually looking at the monitor. That's how good it was. It has full audio pass through as well, which was really good as well. And again, you can use this on any device that has an HDMI output. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to actually use the video output in OBS, how to access it, and how to add the audio, and how to be able to listen to the audio in case you're like me and you don't have speakers connected to your monitor. Like, if right now I moved everything over to my PC, I don't have speakers hooked up to my monitor to be able to hear the game audio, so I'm actually going to listen to the game audio through OBS. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to add the PlayStation. So the first thing we got to do is hit the add button. We're going to go to video capture device. We're going to call this PS4. Okay, there we go. So now, as you can see, hey guys, Post Dagan here. Didn't realize in the video when I was actually creating this video, and I just caught it while I was editing it, that you actually can't see the preview window. But when you're in OBS and you're setting up a new source, there's a preview window for video sources, and you should be able to see the game video there. I just wanted to jump that in because it's missing in the video. So thank you guys for checking it out. Let's get back to it. But you can see that we have the preview of it right here. We can see that it's going, and we want to leave the resolution type to device default. We'll click OK. Now, for my sake here, I kind of have everything organized here. So I'm going to drag this PS4 under my screens here, like so. So that way all my overlays lay on top of it. And then now we need to add the audio. So kind of the same way, click the plus sign and you go audio input capture. We're going to call this PS4 audio. And I'm going to go ahead and move it down here with PS4 just so it's together. And we're going to look for digital audio interface USB digital audio. Now, as soon as I click this, you should be able to hear the PS4 audio. You're probably hearing me double right now. So now we have the PS4 audio, and the way you can listen to it without any speakers and through your headphones through the PC is you click on the little cog on PS4 audio, advanced audio properties, and turn monitoring to monitor and output. And now you can hear the audio through your headphones. So now I'm going to turn the PS4 back on. And you can see that it's only covering a portion of my screen. That's because this is, I'm actually capturing at 1440p. This is set at 1080. But what you can do is you can click it so it's highlighted, right click, transform, and you can do fit to screen. So now we have it like this. Let me go ahead and turn this monitor, my second monitor over here, to the correct input so I can play the game. Hi there, me again. Cutting in just to let you know that you're gonna hear the game audio twice. The reason being is I have my desktop audio playing through the stream as well. So if you're gonna do this setup, make sure you don't have any desktop audio playing and it's strictly just the game audio and your mic audio. Just want to put that disclaimer in there.
We are command.
It says we are in command here, and we all have shit.
Hardpoint contested.
Take your fire! Stop!
Hardpoint secured. Hardpoint contested. Care package ready.
Enemy movement! Hit that! Reloading!
Enemy's got the hardpoint.
Go for strike!
Hardpoint secured. Ready for
So as you can see, the results speak for themselves, right? Let me go ahead and mute this. As you can see, the results speak for themselves. The video quality is really good. It's 1080p, 60 frames a second. This is actually blown up to 1440p, and in my opinion, it still looks really good. But this video is being done in 1080p, so it's probably still going to look good regardless. So I'm extremely happy with this little capture card for $35. It is a complete steal, and you should definitely pick one up. It works with all of the major consoles. I'm just so happen to be using it on the PlayStation. If I really wanted to, I could use it on my Xbox Series X, or I could use it on my Nintendo Switch as well. So yeah, pick it up. I mean, it's definitely worth the investment. It's definitely it just works, to be honest. So yeah, pick one up. Let's move on to what I didn't like about the capture card. But first, if you're getting value out of this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, tick the notification bell, perhaps share it. And this really helps me get the video in front of the people that are looking for a product like this, and this could really help them as well. So it'd be really awesome if you went ahead and clicked that like and subscribe button. Appreciate that. So what I didn't like about this is there were instances when I would try to see the game through OBS, like whenever I first plugged it in, it just kind of showed like a little, it was like a black screen with a little static up on the top. And the only thing I had to do was in OBS deactivate the source and reactivate it, and that fixed it. And that was the only real downfall that I saw with this, and it was super minor. It was a super easy fix, and that should not deter you from ordering one of these. And for my viewers right now, there's a coupon code for 50% off of this, which would make this about $16.50, which would make this the cheapest capture card on the market right now of this type. And it goes through the end of August. So if you want to pick one of these up for about $16.50 on Amazon, there's a link in the description below. If you click on that link, it does help out the channel, and I really appreciate that. So in conclusion, you know, $33, super compact, easily travels. The expansive use of it with both using it as a DSLR to turn your DSLR into a webcam, or just being able to capture any console that supports HDMI out. I mean, $33, it's a deal, and the output quality is fantastic. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe, tick that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.